Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan, and in this tutorial video, today you are going to learn about how to create a flower in Adobe Illustrator, as you can see on the screen. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to create a square shape, and once it is done, then rotate it for 45 degree. After rotating the square at 45 degree, you can see like right going to use it will not give you the appropriate result. I will ask you to use the process as it is showing in the video. So you need to go with the selection tool. Instead of that, you will select the selection tool. Then you need to select both the dots which is available in the left hand side and right hand side using shift command. So with the holding shift, you have to select both the sides and then you have to drag towards, and as you can see that it is forming the shape of petal. The way you have to select the bottom dot which is available inside the square to give a little curve so that you can get a proper petal shape or as you want to give as per your requirement. So it is completely flexible. You can change the curve from all the four sides or all three sides, whatever is required. So once it is done, then you can see now you have a petal. Now you need to apply gradient colors inside to fill, but before that, make sure that your stroke color and fill color should be selected accordingly. So if your stroke color is on top, you need to no fill in that, and then you have to select your fill and then apply gradient over there. And once you will apply gradient, then in gradient menu you can set angle at -30 degree, and after that you can select the right color point and decrease the opacity to 0. Now after that you can set color as you can see in the video. So now after filling the color, you have to go to object, which is available on the menu options. So just click on object, and you have to select repeat. So you will be seeing these options very quickly on the screen. So once your filling color is done with the gray, then directly select your shape and go to object and then create repeat and radial option. As you will select radial option, then you can adjust it like in the video or as per your requirement. So it's done now. So you have learned how to create a flower in Adobe Illustrator, and you can apply multiple colors to gradient and increase the number of petals. So use it accordingly, go wild, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.